When performing cleaning and maintenance on the brew unit, it is possible to leave the whole bean container in place. To remove the brew unit, simply depress the button, slide the arm forward, depress the tab, and pull the brew unit out. When cleaning the brew unit, you only use warm running water. You do not use any detergents or any soaps. During cleaning, it is possible for the chute to separate from the brew unit. If this happens, simply line it up and reinsert. And you'll notice the orientation looks rather like a W. And right now I'm going to reinsert the brew unit. You'll notice that the handle is in the forward position. Simply slide it into place and you'll hear it lock. Now it's very important, this arm must be put into the down position, so simply depress the button and slide the arm down until it locks. Make sure you consult your operating instructions for the correct procedure.